Hello my people, how una dey? Hope say una dey fine. I so much believe say una dey fine. This video make we watch am together. You see this life, na me dey talk and say I no go ever fight for somebody for this media. Why? Because most people they too dey lie. If something come join analyze and come up for there, I know say I join this one come the big the other one. I will never do because media. Some people they too they lie. This video where we go watch so. Is your local talk say Madam Etoan Douglas. He say he wash clothes for her. He say he cook for her. He say if na lie, make the woman go cost put. Is your local don't do one to me. If you ask is your local now say which country me I dey, is your local no no. If you ask her name which state I dey, is your local no no. He don't do one to me. After when he talk or everything where he talk, he say make my enemy make me go swear put. Now so then they do all they go send you make you go swear put. No try ya go swear oh. You know why? Is your local say it be your sock we can. If they all every all this acidity, all these things, it's your local day side. For that those states where we dey, if 10 people stand, now only 1 or 2, now you know day for inside this meeting where be says your local day. You understand? If you can't go carry juju, you and your oh, because Baba where you want wrong, go meet, it day for inside the meeting. Then not then. Anybody where you want go meet, unless say you come up for that at those states, maybe you go another place. Just go like Yoruba, all this, you understand? Unless now you go free. Because why? They say they know they do something. Because you understand? If you now can't go carry juju, now go swear. You are oh, then go return that juju, can't give you. Not try yamo. All these people where go send you say yatiye bojo. They know the way where they say they arrange. When I see the video where this I play yesterday, where is your local con they talk inside there. Now you go know say then get the way where they say they. But our God way creates heaven and earth. We create the breeds ni mahoni, ni mahioni, otoni mavio weji. He must surely ask una one by one. That is why somebody like me, I no go ever bring paper, can't give anybody. I no go ever go carry juju for anybody. When me know say otoni mavio weji, e degbe no evio we canton, e degbe no enwame, e degbe no ehiyon, no eri ofigbo, no eri enye. I know what to do. If you be that kind of person where go they carry, stop pan. Because all these people, then they for society. In a different this thing. Niya J. Now then, now they organize all those things. But why jere? Why mon? Or biomon? And when I go jason. Because why set ya woman here? Why woman ni? Or when it done? Or in the name of say, or money, or wano, why big way, why see a kegbe, why wo or my here, who da woman, ere or tunuwajeni. There is God in anything when we they do. There is God, karma is real. Oma sunu wo wear also no wakota. Anybody when they do that kind of thing. Who are making a matter time energy. Then you leave everything for God. Who wear our ma soy. Et nous berger nous allons la dire na rien et débavier tu ouais nous ba we nok ba tu nous a rien. That is why the most they talk say yatiye bojo they know what it then they do yariye bore yariye bebore. If you reach there where do you boy where do I ma be we na den na den call bi jene eri ogidianinya son call bi jene eri asigidi call bi jene eri the other one. There is God in anything one they do. Take it or leave it. So this video where I want play for now my people. Is your look where it was Douglas or what level any or what money. You must catch her. Then inside this video, you have a bove no one. Again, no yata where attitude to okay. Even with the video now, a fear in that way you wear or we mamma got money yata and we and love your cohona. A video no yata we and say bohona big bohona do you know eta we and love your in a fear. Okay now. Then no huona ge maden to a Douglas. Ima o my calling e de, ima call e de, ima o ni wa mi social media because o mana we menine. Una ba mo gia, una ba mo ne. When I do atene, iya pick you we u carry weather me. Emi na ma clear say. All of ye ke o ma love ye ke a o me ma so e ire vani but emi ni si oluku taladia wunu you go dey know we ekene direction kene miri. Iya eva o emi ni amie, iya eva o emi ni yawo. Owo ho na owo okmo ni ye. Owo ho na owo le ba ni ye. My people, manivere we bomana, mana jowa. We emi ege ya lako na ma otu ale da ya. Ha! When emi ya view mama otu we ahoa e maro no hando okpo no we e maro no do le na enu we if ye to endere e no by dore if ye street we dore you no go see time ama we to we ahokmo isi oluku wo ho na owo okmo jinyekun owo na le da eni ye e kwa toge eke of your majana. Anything where you do for this life, if you do good, they wait for your children. If you do bad, still they wait for them. On your see a day and a be unerun we. Eminera bi dress your binya yasi when they get logo we because most people eminerinya vijinya wu or do log it say money and be. Ruda wo ho na ni ati e madan to Douglas na e on the social media e isi oluku na no see e bolua media. Isi oluku na asia ona asi na asie na avio bone na ina ariye hienjo a o oga etiru owa we no wate je ukpome ni joni no fuani ya hi potopoto ni iru owa ya so they on the media. It will never be well with you ogo rabo. Umana confess when ni ya so no A to Z. We seti mi hu oboho oho no are osopika no are nenemi o mana agbona ya na do ba e enya na deba. Agbona ya na do ba ya na deba. Do that one way o ma be eru way wa on wa oppress e ma be nero. It's not done that way. O vi ju we ona we ni down gbe yo nani de. So that next time, or again, you wear a bad debay, or debay, ya belly, yokowa, no. O salobua, ide. May we listen to this video. We may go on. Bebe ni tana ya atiebo. Eri bebori. Wari bebori, yeti ya sewe e saga. We tie bi, ki ya tie bi. Ajebo we. Iwe a Davos Douglas ni me Davos viga temena majebo mwebo gbenu mugbebo o iga ka ge akesto na jebo mwebo iga ka we love Douglas is ajebo mwebo gbeme ya tari ekeberi o taba webo bi eketi ne yo ya ti everi o de boto boy gwa le mata eriata awebo no were ni e babani ijeni oro sokpe kan eyan ti ogidi anonya son oruwe ukedo mi obo na ere mitini olowo wotedo ni all of them they are there, they belong to that meeting. So if they send you, be careful ejo ugajo emenomie eture understand. Don't go. Any bed on anybody. Ya tie bon anybody. Ejo. De amagbe on ani enwame. Ame na won ebono. Kenavio wenya ebono. Imagine when na won. Umudi ayekeni egbe slippers vio weke kanjo. Mwame wo bo. Awani no ba wo oge no henie tie. Don't ma hwanie, don't ma mi elegbe. Make sure we amen the way clear. Make sure we no hati e bonji. No ato bo we ti e bonji ni. Make sure we emata no. Because all these people, they will send you. Because they know what they are doing. After you send the way, they lay you totally. Because now, then, they go hide under. Also, you know more about way. Yatebo. One a me and so ya ta way. Ebonore doigito. Eteto. Now, then, 9 days side. Ekenarwe gbemu diaji wo pe kan umaimi na ovebani ogbe wehinia udohin ogbe because why na den na gather you wo pe kan yireba we tene ne bone iyan ire ni ya we eye nu adom ye we owe no ya tie bo o ma we yen ro pa ni an Why? They don't hide under inside there. So, umana gwinya rieva eva son. Ya mwebo, ya tiebo. Ya we mi no keke no. Ede amagbeni ya gwinya nwame. Ede amagbeni ya gwinya vyo we kanto. Ona. Johnny ya fire yan. Johnny ya fire yan. Ede amagbeni ya gwinya de governor nyun. Johnny ya fire on Amerione. Eri bebo ge. Ya tiebo. Okay? Madame yo.
Tiebo du maka wa di moto me una no me moto ni di na kama ina we Range Rover Sport motor. But I never na the way for ma ikena was na the way for. I tell you. Ya tiebo du ma hok mo meto. Ya tiebo du ma live I meto. Ya tiebo du ma ga me na go yoba to ha.
Meni mana jowa eva esi ma bona le. Hi jene we kwa we we yoni to bomele. Ivie twen noa e je noa inya nikpa noa e ti jwe noa e tiera no e ya fun mani. So ho na wa ala koni ona le na enu we. Ona wa ye view pon wona wa yo boy ya ho e. Ah, atemi no la ho si oluku. E ma no believe we. I pity for them. Before you can believe you see oluku, una wa have your boy ya ven. You are your own. You see oluku la di an live video. Or where let law lead. Or we ma we de. Or we compare ni na won. Oni is only na woman ye. O ma wo mwe kome. E si oluku na so we. Wa de o. Oni ga vie prove la di an wo we no ya akole e no be si oluku na la di but on a ve bo we ma won. Ye ma we ke ni na won. Ah! Salo boa. And wow, me we listen.
Ito hawe ari ebe no work bolos ebe no trans ne wa to me kada. Then we was go say we ari ebe for to me kada we to Douglas kada. We match me we jemi ma even ohoni wo we video ka we menaga me ya we fe na ka we lo ye kin. And the boy not how ye to which I never did. Even to Douglas ya no whether ya tie body me na me ya we fi me na jempo we ya ni le chewe one me we mess na ya the way I said nobody only to boy la no fi we don be na we o wo ye kin
hey that people we wish I never did. But to know yata we is a logoni gboni o doju nu yata we yen lo ye ke ha Jesus of Nazareth kamuka. My people, as I see this video, I need to bring our call. You see, for this media, believe anybody at your own risk. If you want to go the fight, now you know. But before you do it, no say you still get children. You feel just put your opinion, come up for them. I was not there. But I so much believe. And because of say this woman not there on media. And you see look na because okuna said he had no do defend. Nobody no way wodo ona ya age or that is what you are doing. Or see na drag over here. Because now you honi ni amike na do atie bone ohuna. Isi oluku mota muwe iwe no rio vie Vivian Ladian omo ne Vivian bienwe do ya 20 bo ave mi ya fefe no tare gbe madan to and Douglas. Before me, I can believe you. When women are where, or when you can I will never believe you. Because you don't try out to me. Where than any. Or when where you know, Eriona Lovie, Eriona Wakia Wajunu, Eriona will not bar, Eriona will not bar. Oh, na, pe, bo, bi. Why you have Vivian Ladian, do you have 20 bo? Emi ya fefe no wata, that man's not true. Oh, we wala dia, o do agbo kita do atale ni bae. No vale nada, in Spanish hai. Ya we o ma vale nada. Mana we no ne possible. O ma possible at all. O ma gba. O konu kena ya so si ya we. She ona don ye. owo hona na ale na ni hona na ohweno hona ewa be me no hona e me go se oto boya hokmo ona hokmo nu we ma ni mana na jogwa ma emi ukmi myself ama weti ma mi e ho before we ke via yo to yan via na ya ho yi o go pa na be leba we no wa gba se ni o wa e dey wa gba wa ri be na di gwe to we oni e Vivian only because e Vivian dien we e Vivian ri be na to we we kada do wa wo na do wa fijo wa ma fijo person like me I don't know but me no we tala dian wo nu o ji me ya tan we uwe ta ne uwe pe ne gbigbi to re gbe omo no to re o ke fi an wojo ma o ayin anytime isi oluku ta sebe yo we mi ya fefe ni ha ta le gbe me na iga ego oge no ogwe ni ya ti ebo ina woni me we gi me ni ya ti ebo so igele ari ke na we bo wo waje ija ha mi ya we do ti ebo mo wie mi ti oriyan so ya igele ti ebo ni igele ti egu we uwe zuo ukiza iriya ya giyan hu o si enu wana mi me so ya ta we ya mo ebo ya ga push we no ya mo ebo na leo uga mu juanjo o because why na den wa mu ye mu gbuwe ekeno kekene ya mo ya de we le mi keni na le mo ya mu gbo vision because ya wo vision ya kin ya we mi gbe mi ho ya mu gbo vision o ma gba we ni no ma be mu we ya ha mu gbo hu oh my people I say me I still bring this one come for now Mona help me watch this video help me to share this video anybody when they call isi oluku where they tell you say ya ti e bojo ya mo biye ke na lie ya lie wa ti e yan ton na egu e because na den emi ti opeyan yaje iri opeyan si e ba opeyan e so na you we be say you not there for inside worry on ma be ewu we you on your own na bye bye for now.